Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day, and our aim is to become the best, most honest online TV show in the world. We go out to 20 platforms at the same time. Our home is here on YouTube TV. We broadcast from our TV studio here, and we are joined every day by traders and investors who are not promoted or sponsored in any way to promote any stock. We're here to help people. We've raised over $1 million for charity. We give cash prizes away every day. This is my real money, my real journey. I started with $5,000 just 2 years ago. Hello there, Cherry has just become our new member.
Cherry has become a member.
Lovely, live on the show, fantastic. And 95% of our live viewers are members, which is more than any other channel in the world. Official, go and check it out. We also have members now in 18 countries around the world, and we go out in 14 languages. We aim to be the most honest, engaging channel, the most honest TV channel there is. That's what we do every day. No one else goes 10 hours a day, not even Bloomberg or Yahoo Finance, CNN, and it's just me, all on my own. So let's get straight into it. Today's featured video stock is, of course, Tesla. Overnight, Tesla is playing chess while everybody else is sitting around playing checkers. Has Tesla now got the dominating position in its chess game and never looking back again? We've got now a price target of Tesla this morning at a 6x. Yep, a 6x. Is there ever a wrong time to buy Tesla now? Let's get straight into the trade and share it. This was the news last night. It broke that Tesla is providing the charging stations for GM, one of the biggest companies in America, now has to bow down to Tesla. Tesla are providing the power stations. So where does that take Tesla? Well, is there any competition left? We all know that the legacy car companies never really made much money from their cars. They made money from servicing, repairs, the dealers. Well, that's where Tesla turns it on its head. Tesla, on the other hand, do things very differently. What Tesla do is they're all about bringing the price of the cars down and making money on many other areas of their business, like the robo-taxis, the self-drive, and they don't require the maintenance. They don't need people to keep coming back and having the cars repaired. Other than tires and physical damage, that's all you really need. So the whole thing has been turned on its head, and the other car makers really can't compete with it. So what do you think? Let's look at Tesla in some more detail. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. As always, give us a thumbs up. That would be really helpful. There you go. Let me bring in all the information that you need. All the links are below our video, and we have links to our cash giveaway tonight. We're giving away $100 tonight on the show, or $150 to a registered charity. Let's bring all the comments on the screen. Heart, 100% and hearts and emoji are on the live chat on my laptop now. Yes, fantastic. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Cherry as a member. So let's go over right now and look at the information from Tesla. Let me reload that. That didn't come through. Okay. So Tesla, this is the question this morning. Elon Musk has the last laugh. Let me just align that. Elon Musk has the last laugh on US EV charging despite EU's refusal of Tesla's design. All right, let's scroll down and look at the news here, shall we? Benziga seems to be having some problems with its site this morning. That's the second time I've reloaded that. All right, let's not worry about that. Let's go over to this report here. Tesla will open its charging network to GM's electrical vehicles. Let's just scroll in a bit better. Let's make it a bit clearer for you. Okay, there we go. Tesla will open its charging network to GM's electric vehicles. The electric car company, which operates the country's most extensive charging network, struck a similar deal with Ford Motor Company recently. So is this Tesla literally taking over the entire charging systems? Without the charging systems, there is no system, right? This is it right now. Let's have a look. General Motors will join Ford in tailoring its electric cars to Tesla's chargers. The deal will help set up industry standard for charging plugs. I love this. I love this. So we had this morning put a price target on Tesla of 6x. 6x. So is there a bad time to buy Tesla? Well, no, there isn't. If it's going up 6x, and I say 6x is in 10 years, but that should be your price target for something like this, then that's going to work out pretty well for you. Let's carry on and read this comment here. General Motors said on Thursday that it would adopt Tesla technology to charge its electric vehicles, including selling models that use the plugs pioneered by Tesla. So you've now got GM and Ford having to comply to Tesla's standards. There is no way back now. There is no way back there. And the reason why they're doing it is because if they don't do it, their customers can't charge their cars. They got left behind. Tesla was innovating and pioneering, and GM and Ford were part of trying to bring down Tesla through government lobbying. We know all about that. Elon Musk got on with it, got the job done, and now it's like, well, perhaps we need to be best friends with Elon Musk again. That's basically what's happening here. The announcement 2 weeks after Ford struck a comparable agreement is likely to make Tesla's plugs the industry standard and squeeze companies that are racing to build similar networks. There's no point. There's no point. It's all over. You might as well get into bed with Tesla. You're never going to catch up now. This is fantastic news for the stock. As sales of electric vehicles surge, the agreements mean that owners of Ford and GM vehicles will be able to use Tesla chargers, which are often the only ones available in many places and have a reputation for reliability. I mean, this is quite funny when you think of the history of how we got here. Anyway, this really also doubles access to chargers for GM customers. Mary T. Barra, the automaker's chief executive, said during a streamed Twitter conversation with Elon Musk, the chief executive of Tesla and owner of Twitter. Mr. Musk said the deal is going to be fundamentally great thing for the advancement of EV adoption. He must be smiling all over his face. But it may raise concerns that Tesla, which already dominates electric vehicle sales, could overwhelm competitors in the fast charging business. It's like you're going to the party and you're saying, hey, can we charge our cars with your system? Yeah. Didn't you try to put me out of business a few years ago? Well, yeah. Are you actually making money on your cars? Well, no, we're not. So, but anyway, it's okay. You can charge you can charge me because it's going to cost you. It's going to cost you, right? While GM, hang on, let me read this next one. But it may, I've already read that. While GM gets access to more chargers, Tesla will make money from selling energy to owners of models made by other automakers. So as they're doing all of this, GM is still losing money on its cars, Tesla is still making money on its cars, and now it's making money selling the energy to GM. So where do we see GM in 5 years? I mean, does Tesla want to buy out GM? Is there any point? Do they even care? I mean, what? I mean, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? How many times? What are you going to feel like when you turn up at a charging station? Everything about that. It will say something like, if you had a Tesla, you could charge this for free. But you've got a GM, so plug on in, and it's going to cost you 50 quid to fill up. Okay. And if you had a Tesla, you could actually order a robo-taxi and you just drive home, self-drive. Okay. Can you imagine this over and over again? I think this is hilarious. By adopting Tesla's charging standards, Ford and GM also risk becoming dependent on their most formidable competitor. This is the end. right? I'm saying it right now. I'm putting my flag in the sand and saying this is the end. This is what we've got now. We've got Cathy Wood and other people who exaggerate beyond belief. So I'm not going to suddenly, start saying Cathy Wood makes a lot of sense. Cathy Wood is for Cathy Wood, and I've said the same message forever. But what this does say is Tesla are going to completely and utterly crush the competition. Absolutely. If you've got any comments on the screen, I'm going to put this out as a video later. Please do share your thoughts with me on the screen, and I will share it. Who have we got this morning? Good morning. Good morning. Our guest from Russia. We haven't yet got a member in Russia. We'd love you to join us. Agent Shu. SIEN up 80%. We are watching our scalp trade of the morning. It hasn't happened yet. We are still watching it. You could just say, just buy Tesla, be done with it. Anyway, that's what everyone's doing this morning, and it's up again. So let's carry on reading the comments. This agreement also has risks for Tesla. The popularity of its cars has created congestion at the company's charging stations in some cities and along some highways. Tesla owners may become irritated that they will now have to queue with cars made by Ford and GM. Can you imagine at the station you got like, hey, you've got your Ford, get out of it. No, I mean, what's going to happen is they're going to have exclusive. What will happen is, it's obvious, they're going to have exclusive stations for the Tesla owners. They've got to do that, and they'll make it free for the Tesla owners. So eventually everyone's just going to buy a Tesla anyway. I mean, GM and Ford have just put a nail in the coffin, right? There's no way back from here. Let's have a little look. I don't think Tesla owners will be pleased to watch a Ford Mustang Mach-E getting charged while they wait in line, says Ben Rhodes, president of Battle Road Research, who also follows the auto industry. This is getting better by the minute. This is brilliant. The battle between Tesla's charging plugs and the ones currently used by Ford, GM, and other automakers recalls the competition between Betamax and VHS video cassettes. In 1980, VHS ultimately won the battle, even though, by the way, Betamax was better. We all know that history. At one level, the competition between the standards is a wonky technical issue, with each side claiming its plug is the better choice, but it could have long-lasting implications for the millions of people who are expected to switch to electric vehicles in the coming years. All right, Tesla sells cars with plug known as North American Charging Standard. Ford, GM, and most other car makers have sold cars with plugs using the combined charging system plug. There are two. The two are not compatible. All right, so who's going to win? Who's going to own and patent the plug? All right, the plug. The good old plug. Fast chargers offered by companies like EVgo or Electrify America typically have both plugs and charge Teslas as well as cars from manufacturers that use CCS, including Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen and Volvo. For most of its roughly 10-year history, Tesla's network, which operates more than half of the nearly 30,000 fast chargers in the country, half was closed to cars from other manufacturers, but the company recently began allowing other cars to use some of its chargers. This is playing chess, folks, with the industry, and everybody else is playing checkers. Reaction from competitors was restrained on Thursday. We support all moves to increase EV adoption, Brendan Jones, the chief executive of Blink Charging, said in an email. He added, "We are monitoring the market closely and will adjust if we think necessary." Oh my gosh, this is massive news today. So where does that leave us? Well, as investors, all we really care about is how to make money, right? So this is our price target, and I can see how this makes perfect sense. Looking at the growth, taking the cars out of it, looking at the power. Where's the power going to come from? It's going to be powered, of course, from the solar, the power walls. The power industry of Tesla is going to provide the power to GM and Ford, so we're going to be making money on that as well. I would hate to be the competition this morning. you've been left sitting around for too long. Right, 2023, 393. We are at 249 right now, 67%. By 2024, we're looking at 626, 25, 848, 26, 964, 27, 1,155, 28, 1344, 29, 1467, 2030, 1530, 2031, 1599, 2032, 1674, 2033, 1756, and 2034, just 10 years from now, 1847. And here's the good news. That doesn't take into account, if you read into the analysis of how they got there, doesn't take into account the robo-taxis and the power. It's all on car sales. Add the power, add the robo-taxis, add the insurance. I mean, wow. So, the question is, should we be buying Tesla this morning at any cost? Should we just pile in and go, what the hell? Well, people are already doing that. In my opinion, you still need a balanced portfolio. I think just going all in like a crazy man and just going, I don't care, I'm buying Tesla, this is the beginning of a revolution, I'm buying it, I don't care, I'm going to go all in, could be a risky play. Because what goes up must come down. Tesla, without a doubt, is going to be more than likely the biggest company in the world. Do you want to own the biggest company in the world before it becomes the biggest company in the world? As investors, of course we do. Of course we do. Every single person every investor wants to buy the biggest company in the world before it's the biggest company in the world. It goes without saying, right? However, let's have a look at this. We are now up 38% in 3 months, but we're now for the first time up on the year. That happened just some moments ago. But if we go back 5 years, we can see how it all tailed off. Now, why did it tail off? It tailed off. Let me just change my screen a minute from behind. There we go. It tailed off because Elon Musk sold and dumped a lot of Tesla. He could do that again to raise more money. He could do that again, or he might not do it. Now, he did say he would never do it again, and he did it 3 times. I got very annoyed with him for saying it. However, will he do it again? I don't know. And if he does it again, will it make any difference this time? Well, of course, the stock will drop when he sells 83 million shares or whatever they were talking about. It will drop. But then that presents another opportunity for everyone to buy it straight back. So it could rebound really quickly, even if it drops. So, what do? Do you buy? Do you trim? Well, I think it would make no sense whatsoever to just own 100% Tesla. I know Meet Kevin with his portfolio, with his ETF is pretty much like that. Some people are like that. If you go all in, let's weigh it up. If you go all in on Tesla, what does it actually mean? If you just put every single penny you've got into Tesla, what you could do is every time it goes up 10%, I don't know, or 5%, I don't know, pick a number, just sell 1 or 2. Just keep selling all the way. Just every 10%, sell 1, sell 1. You're making money and you're returning your cash. So you could argue it would make sense to overweight your portfolio and just buy and buy and buy all the way up. In fact, just buy now, not all the way up. Buy now, sell your S&P. The S&P, remember, holds Tesla, but not much. Not that it's going to make a difference. And in fact, if we look at the S&P this morning to get an impression of where that's actually going, if we look at Tesla and we look at the S&P, it's up 0.07. It hasn't reflected that much. It is up because the S&P owns Tesla. However, Tesla is up 6% on pre-market. So, I don't know. I am actually tempted this morning to because that news is, for me, That news is industry killer. I don't know what anyone else thinks. To me, I am up on the S&P 10%. I could sell half of my S&P. That would bring me to 15%. I could then use $7,000 to buy Tesla where it is today. Shall I do it? Shall I do it live on the show? What do you think? Sell half of my S&P, because essentially that's what I already do in other stocks. I do that in Amazon. I've got 16% of Amazon. I've got 8% of Apple, in addition to owning the S&P. So I could sell half of the S&P today. Trim off. I'm 10% up. I've made loads of money on it. There could be a pullback, but will there be a pullback that big for Tesla? I don't know. So you could argue, sell half your position of Tesla, half your position of the S&P, get $7,000, you are still in. You've still got 15% of the S&P, bearing in mind you own Apple and Amazon and McDonald's and Coca-Cola and J&J. 80% of my portfolio is made up of the top S&P anyway. And then buy Tesla at this position. Even though it's up, let's remember we were buying it at 170. What is it up by? It's up by, well, when we bought it at 170, we're looking at 40%. Well, we're not looking at 40% in a year or two or three or four. We're looking at 100, 200%, 300%. We're looking at 6x in 10 years. So does it matter? Now, if there's a pullback, which there could well be, but it might then bounce straight back again. If there is a pullback, it might not happen for another 10, 15, 20% and come back to this position. So I am going to ask you now. I'm going to run a poll in the live chat. Let's do it. Shall I sell? Should I sell? Should I sell 50% of the S&P bloody hell, Martin. Then buy Tesla. That's a very bold move, but I think it makes sense. Yes or no? Right. Isn't it FOMO to go? No, it's not FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out. I have no fear. I'm literally looking at the numbers and what makes sense. Looking at the numbers of what makes sense. Is Tesla overpriced today? Yes. Is it overpriced in 5 years? No. That's it. You have to understand we are looking forward. Yes, I would, of course, I would have loved to bought Tesla when I started buying it at 110. And I did. I own 16 shares. It's not like I haven't got anything. Anyway, let's read some of the comments here. Hoping to buy some more Tesla as well. Good morning, everyone. Joel, thank God it's Friday. Octavio, good morning, everyone. Octavio, you missed the bell yesterday. We did the closing bell yesterday and you were ringing it. Where were you? You missed it. We were like counting down going, where's Octavio? Where's Octavio? And you rang the bell yesterday. So you rang it twice yesterday. Octavio sponsored the bell. If you want to sponsor the bell, it's $10 super chat and you can sponsor the bell. Hi, Stephen. When Tesla owners pull up to Tesla chargers that are all full because of Ford and Chevrolet, that's going to upset Tesla owners, I think. Yes, it will. They'll fix that, though. They'll fix that because what they'll do, they'll make more money from that and they'll build more superchargers. They'll be like, it'll just be Tesla everywhere. Hello, what's going on, says Tia Roll. Poll. We're running a poll right now. This an opportunity I wouldn't pass on Tesla. Best of luck. I will buy Tesla today. Roland, one thing for sure, Tesla will go up with this GM announcement. Tesla will climb higher percentage-wise than SPY. Of course it will. Isn't it FOMO? No, it's not FOMO. You're upping the risk that way, in my opinion. I'm waiting on adding more Tesla on the dip. I'm afraid Tesla will sell off and leave you with a huge bag and VU will keep gaining. That is the concern. Tesla, 1 hour. RSI is over 80. It's overbought. No question. No question. I've said it. That Tesla is overbought. Yes, it is. Massively. Look. Yes. But that doesn't mean to say. You can't make money on it. Just because it's overbought doesn't mean it is it's not a buy. You have to understand the RSI is a guided projection, but it doesn't mean that the stock is going to continue running. I mean, let's say, for example, let's say Tesla runs all the way today to 270. Let's just say. All right. And then it pulls back to 250. And then it idles along on 250 for the next 6 months. Until the next earnings. And then next earnings, they announce massive profits. Now the reality catches up with the stock. Now the reality says, yes, you all overbought the stock, but now the company has grown into the stock. That is always the thing. You can't necessarily wait for a stock to come down when ultimately it's going to 6x from here in 10 years. So even though it's expensive right now, people are buying the S&P right now, which is expensive as well. Don't forget that. People today are buying the S&P, and that's expensive. So, where do we go? Yes, I did miss it, Martin. Someone close to my family passed away yesterday, early in the morning. I have to leave work. Octavio, we send our love to you. Everybody, Octavio, a member of our family, someone close to his family passed away. Everybody, love to Octavio. Please, one of our members here has lost a close family member, and that's why they wasn't in the bell yesterday afternoon, and it was their sponsored bell. So love to Octavio. Let's do it. Everybody, all the members, all the family, send some love to Octavio. Copy and paste, please. We will send our love to you, and we are very sad for your loss. The family supports you, and we are with you. The auto industry is closely tied to the cyclical economy. So if you're heavily exposed to that, you'll be hit by recession harder. You know, you're absolutely right, Tio. It's why I've always had a balance. Sorry to hear the news, Octavio. But remember what I just said. If you heard the whole, I think you came in halfway through. It's very important to remember excuse me, the whole point of what I just said. I just said, if you buy it, overweight it, you trim on the way up. So let's say I go 90% in Tesla. Every time it goes up 10%, I sell one. I'm always just trimming all the way up. And that's it. Every day, sell one share of Tesla and just keep making money all the time, returning the profit to you along the journey. So if I sold my position in VU, it's in my main brokerage account. I would buy Tesla in my main brokerage account, and I would sell Tesla in my Roth IRA, no tax, and I would hold my Tesla long term, but I would keep my long-term position, but I would sell my scout positions all the way at every 10%, sell one. And that'd be it. Anyway, love to Octavio, please, everybody. Thank you, Mike. Sorry to hear that, Tio Roll. Thank you. Thank you all. Absolutely right. I'm so sorry to hear that. Sorry for your loss, Joel. Sorry for your loss, Stephen. Absolutely. Right. Let's go over to... need to do a few things. Cherry says, how do I stop the membership from my other account that is joined last month? Well, obviously, it's been deleted, so it's not going to continue. So I don't know how you can control an account that's been deleted. So if it's deleted, it won't charge. But I can't offer any more help than that, I'm afraid. I've no idea. So anyway. I just realised I need to put the end. I need to put an ending on that video. So that was in a whole. I was making a video there this morning. I need to. Mullins up 5%, and whoop-de-doo. Right. I need to put this in as well. This is going to be quite difficult to be able to edit this now. Okay. This is 30 minutes. 30 Tesla. Okay. All right. So, let me just think a minute. That's no good. Has Tesla played the final chess move with all the other legacy car companies? Watch this following video, leave me your thoughts below, and I'd love to know what you think about this. This could be the end of GM and Ford, or there could be riots at the charging stations. What do you think? Now, on with the video. So there we go. What do you think of Tesla? Has Tesla launched the final blow on GM and other legacy car companies like Ford? It's going to be riots. There's going to be all to hell to pay at the charging stations. But is this a catalyst to drive Tesla to a 6x price target? What do you think? Leave me your thoughts below. Okay. That can be the beginning and the end of that video. All right. Let's come back to the main position. And let's go over to our main account. Let's have a look where we are. Right. We're up today on the main account. Obviously, we're up on the Roth IRA because my Roth IRA is 26% of Tesla, and that's probably rising now. Space is also up today, which is good. We'll cover that in a minute. Everybody's here for that, we know. Tesla now is 26.5%, 27% of my Roth IRA. I mean, you've got to sell some. You've got to sell some. There's no question about that. So my 56.7, all-time highs again today. All right. Okay. Sorry for your loss. Love to Octavio. Thanks to all of you. All right. We need to do some housekeeping. You know what I'm going to say? It's time for that song. Said a chiggy, 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 pow, pow. We got 44 watching. We got 44 watching, only 12 likes. Only 12 likes. But the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up. What's going on here? 12 likes, 43 watching. Look at that. Let's get 30 likes. Come on, let's do it. Said a chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said a chiggy, 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 J Pow, real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up with the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. Come on, smash the like button. I'm not having this. I cannot carry on the light of this news. 19. Come on, at least go 20. Just for the dance. Just for the dancing. 20. There it is. All right, there you go. Brilliant. 21. Just so we can go over the top. There you go. Why not? Right. Lazy people. Right. Okay. Let's give everybody a shout out this morning. I'm gonna be nice to everybody now. All right. Everybody who likes the stream on Facebook this morning. Oh yes, you are going to get mentioned on the screen. Are you ready? If you give a love rather than a like, it's even better. All right. You can give a love rather than a like. It's even better. All right. Let me see if I can do that. There you go. A love. There you go. You ready? Doge is up this morning, 5%. Elon Musk taking over the world again. Right. So let me give you the link to Facebook. I want to see 20 likes on Facebook this morning. There you go. There's a link to Facebook. If you do it, your name will come up on the screen. Captain Insano says, crush it. Sorry, love to Octavio. Absolutely. He might not be in our stream today. He lost a family member, of course. And our support goes to you. Midnight, CHPT down 7%. Thank you for that. Good morning, George. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, we're watching it now. The S&P is up this morning. Virgin Galactic is up 0.49. Virgin Orbit, whatever. Rivian is up 1.49. Tesla is up 6% this morning. Mullen is up, but does anyone really care that it's up 2.5%? No, because we're out of the money by 75%. We're not interested in that. We want it to go up 100%. So we want it to go to $1, and then I'll get out. Lucid, here we go, 2%. We've got no scalp trade yet. Are you ready for the scalp trade? You're all excited about it. You are, aren't you? You are. Tell me the truth. You're excited about it. Let me get it ready. Let me get ready. I'll do it now. We want to be ready, right? Let's do it like this. We'll call it the Lucasade. I'll start with the Lucasades because it's for our members, right? It's for the members. It's all about the members. Lucasades, are you ready for the scalp trade of the day? And remember, it doesn't come all the time. I know we've had one every day so far, but that doesn't mean we will today, okay? Are you ready for the scalp trade of the day? Yes or no? There you go. Let's get you ready for it. I'll do a poll. No, I don't need to do a poll. I'm not going to do a poll on that. I'm not doing a poll on it. I've changed my mind. How do I end that now? Oh, damn it. Remove poll. There you go. Okay, there we go. We'll leave it there for the minute until we get something. Let me send you over there just for a second, just so you can look at the Twitter poll, the Twitter account, just for the minute while I change this screen. I'm going to bring up a different page for you in a minute. So that's where we're going to post it in a second. Come back to here. Okay. There we go. Shut that down. Right. Okay, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready for the scalp trade of the day. We'll let you know what it is when we're ready. Vorb, Q, and Muln, whatever. Yeah, exactly. Really? It's up 2%, 4%. Does anyone care? You've ripped us off. You scammed us out of all our money. Does anybody really care? No, we don't. No, we don't. Lucid up 1.91. It's trading off Virgin. It's trading off Tesla today. Popularity of EVs. I had, I always said to you, there's a lady called Vicky who's very abusive and very sweary on my channel, and I've been answering her, and I kept saying, if you continue the all-out abusive language, I mean, like really strong language, I'm not going to reply anymore, so you won't have a voice anymore, and I'll just ban you, right? Well, this morning she did it again, so now she's banned. So now she's got no voice, and she'd send me messages like 4 or 5 times a day. She was really like trying to get her point across with Lucid. So now she doesn't exist anymore. She has no voice anymore. So she's banned. So if you're watching me now, Vicky, that you are a fan of Lucid, and I call you a fan, not an investor, because what you said to me this morning was silly. You said, right, I'm blah, 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 XXX, swear. I'm now going to, I'm now going to just buy more Lucid just to annoy you. Swear. Well, that's good strategy then. Yeah, buy Lucid to annoy me. Like I care. Shan LY, this makes me laugh. Shan, why are you laughing, Shan LY? You're not even a member of our channel, and you're laughing because I sold at 188. Yes, I did, and it was the right thing to do. Do I feel bad? No, because it's a different situation for Tesla now. But remember, what did I do with my 188? Yes, Sherry, we can see you. Yes, we can see you, Sherry. What did I do with my 188 shares? I only trimmed off the top and sold 4. I've held my 16, right? What did I do with it? I bought the S&P, I bought J&J, I bought Virgin Galactic, I bought McDonald's. Was it the right thing to do? Yes. I am now up 3% on my McDonald's. What are you talking about? Virgin Galactic. We're up on Virgin Galactic, 7.9%. So, before you try to make me look silly with your funny laughing comments, Shan LY, non-member of our channel, just remember, it's a game of chess, like Elon Musk is playing this morning. If I sell for a profit, do I take the money down the pub and blow it on a McDonald's? Or do I make more money on it somewhere else? So, if you're going to laugh at me for selling my Tesla, you also need to remind yourself that I trimmed off the top. I still own 26% of my portfolio, which is still massively overweighted. And I bought something else which is actually up more than Tesla is up. So, let's add that to the laughing at the end of it. All right? So now the last laugh is on me. Or the last laugh is on you. That's what I meant to say. Anyway, still holding Lucid, the only one company that will challenge Tesla in the future. Mark this post. I will gladly mark this post, and I will tell you right now that in my opinion, and if I'm wrong, I'll say I'm wrong and I'll apologize. But I don't think I'm going to be wrong. The writing is on the wall. The only people that can't see it are the fans of Lucid. Listen. Do you listen to all the earnings reports? You should, because I broadcast them all. And I sit through 2 hours of earnings reports. Do you? Because if you did, you would know what Peter Rawlinson is telling you between the lines is the Saudis are going to buy the company, make it private, and the shareholders are going to get nothing. If you can't see that, then there's only one reason you can't see it. You're not listening to the earnings reports. I am. Every time. So, I sit here 10 hours a day, looking at the charts, listening to everything. Are you? And if you can answer the question, yes, you are. You read all the reports, you read the balance sheet, you also listen to the earnings reports, then fine. You know more than me, and you're absolutely right. Lucid's going to make more money than Tesla, and it's going to be great. However, I don't think you do listen to all the earnings reports, because if you did, and you listened with an open mind, you would know that Lucid is going to go private, and the shareholders will get stuffed. And it's absolutely no competition whatsoever to Tesla in any way whatsoever. And if that wasn't enough to put the nail in the coffin, and down goes Lucid, boom, as I speak about it, down she goes. If that wasn't enough, Lucid lose $500,000 every time they sell a car. Period. End of. That's it. Good luck with Lucid. I'm not interested in it. All right? You do what you want with your money, and I wish you the very, very best. I hope everyone makes money, but it isn't going to happen because I listen to all the reports. I read all the information. I'm not a fan of anything. I spend 10 hours a day studying it. Do you? Chanel Y, he's come back with a comment. All right. I did listen to all of them and following loosely closely. Just don't miss the boat. Well, I wish you the best. The question you've got to ask yourself is, even if it does go up and does survive and does do well, and you are right, how have we missed the boat if we make more money somewhere else? People get so attached to stocks. They become their best friend. I don't know why. The stock doesn't care you own it. Doesn't care about you at all. So don't be waving the flag for Lucid. I am here waving the flag for one thing and one thing only. My members, my audience. Don't care about Elon Musk. Don't care about Tesla. Don't care about anybody else. Care about my members because I want to grow the best, most honest, real YouTube channel, TV show in the world. That's it. So I'm here to make money and I'm here to protect and support my members. That's it. Couldn't care less about Lucid. Couldn't care less. Couldn't care less about Tesla. Tesla and Elon Musk doesn't even know I exist. And they don't care if I lose all my money. So I don't care either. I think Tesla is going to go down to 200 very soon, George. Well, if it does, I will buy some. I will definitely buy some. However, of course, if that happens, then so does the S&P. So I have to bear that in mind as well. And that's where my funds would come from. Anyway. We're waiting for our scalp trade. It's not out yet at the scalp trade of the day. We've got 54 watching and we've got 25 likes. We got 57 watching now. Smash the like button. Yay. Mr. Know-It-All is what some think but always wrong. Join the family members. There we go. Mr. Know-It-All is what some think but always wrong. Join the family members. There you go. Bill said it. Bill said it. Don't wave the flag for any stock. Don't do that. I don't wave the flag for Virgin Galactic, for God's sake. I don't, do I? I just report the facts. If it goes up, it goes up. If it goes down, it goes down. I tell you, not the people that follow my show that buy Mullen and Lucid. I don't know what's going on with these people. Just fanboys. I don't understand it. Don't understand why it even exists, why you'd ever consider being a fan of a stock. I don't get it. It's just a number on a screen. It's so brutal and shallow and cold and empty and pointless. Don't do it. But people do it. Oh, barcoding for Tilray this morning. Not good. Not good at all. We don't like to see that. Don't like barcoding of any stock. Robinhood, 10x. Pablo Silva has liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you very much indeed. There you go. Pablo, how are you this morning? Good to see you. SoFi, IonQ, Ford up 1.62. So Ford and GM are up because now they've got Tesla helping them out. I mean, come on. Are you going to buy Ford because Ford are up today? That's exciting. Buy shares in Ford because they've now got a noose round their neck for Tesla. Why would you do that? Who's buying Ford and GM this morning because Ford and GM have now got a noose round their neck from Tesla? Hey, Ford and GM have done a deal. They can now charge their cars. Let's buy Ford. Yeah, but hang on a minute. That's going to go to zero because what's the point? Anyway, what's thoughts on TOI? Baja Blaster. I don't know and I can't review it because I've got to focus on the members right now. If you want me to review a stock, I can do a deep dive for you. I can go into a back test with my algorithms and systems. I can review it, make a video on it. I could even buy the stock if you want. But it's a members only perk. If you want me to spend the next 10 minutes doing that for you, I will do it for a couple of bucks as a member. And then you get 20 times back what you put in. How about that? Anyway, possible 120. I don't know. I can't. Baja Blaster, where are you from? Where are you from? We've now got members in 18 countries around the world. We have the highest engagement channel, any channel on YouTube. We've got 95% of our live viewers are members. Good morning, says Pablo. Good morning. Zach, thank you for liking the stream on Facebook. Appreciate it. That really helps our channel. Thank you. Why all Tesla fanboys, even Elon hates Lucid so much? Why all Tesla fanboys, even Elon hates Lucid so much? Well, first of all, I'm not a fan of anybody. So don't put me in that category. Don't put me in that category at all. I'm not a fanboy. I'm the fans of you, my audience. I'm the fan of no stock. But you are right. They do. The fanboys on both sides hate each other. And it's silly. And it's ridiculous. And it's pointless. And I haven't got any time for those people. Leah, good morning to you. How are you this morning? Let me just focus on my wife. Why? Why? Should I tell them why, babe? 1 week from today. Yes. Hang on, Leah. Stay there. I want a reaction. Even though you're not going to come on camera, they can't see you. 1 week from today, folks, me and Leah got married in England. Isn't that right, Leah? Love you, babe. 5 years in a week. Be a big day on the show next Friday. There you go. Happy anniversary to me and Leah. We're married 5 years next Friday. Put that in your calendar. I want lots of love on Friday. Not for me, for Leah. She needs the support. She's the one who puts up with me. It's easy for me. Easy for me. Different for her. Very, very easy for me. Being married to Leah. Leah being married to me, not so easy. Anyway, it seems your review has helped me, Martin. Of course it has. Of course it's helped you. Best TV show in the world. It seems your review has helped me. 17 downloads and 10 physical book sales. I love it. That is why I do it. That is why we're going to grow the best. Mr. Beast, I put a challenge out to you. In fact, going to do it right now. Mr. Beast, right? I had a viral video with Mr. Beast about a year ago. Do you remember it? Let me do it now. 52 minutes. 52 minutes. Here we go. 52 minutes. 52 Mr. Beast. Biggest YouTuber in the world. Right? I called him Mr. Beast then. I'm going to call him Mr. Beat. Mr. Beast. All right. Okay. Mr. Beast, I put a challenge out to you. You're one of the biggest YouTubers in the world, but I'm going to be the best YouTuber in the world. You don't believe me? See my countries across the top. I've only been going a short while, and I've had no real viral video, a few hundred here and a few hundred there, but I've got now members in 18 countries, paid members. 95% of my live viewers are members. I believe Mr. Beast and other channels of your size are about 8 to 9%. I had the highest engagement rate in the world of any YouTube channel when it comes to live viewers who are members. 95% of those are members, and we have members in 18 countries. And what makes us the best YouTube channel in the world, and you are the biggest, but I want to be the best, is this. My mate, one of my members here, Mark Korn, has just written a book. He's written a book, and he had no sales, he had no reviews, he had no downloads. He's Mr. Billy No Mates, a bit like me before I come like you, all right? And he doesn't mind me saying that. And what I do on my channel is try to help people, right? I want to give away everything I've got to help people. I give 10 hours a day live. How often are you live? I'm live 10 hours a day on my channel. 10 hours a day I'm live, right? And I want to help people. So Mark came on and he said to me, can you help me with my book? And I went, of course I can. So it seems your review has helped me, Martyn. 17 downloads, 10 physical book sales, and I appreciate all your help. There you go. I love it. Now, over the last couple of years, we've raised over $1 million on my show. It's not much by your standards, Mr. Beast. I know it's not. However, by my standards, it's more money than I've ever seen in my life, but we do it. We're here to help people. So if you get the chance to watch this video, I would like you to pop on in and say hello, because I put my challenge down to you right here, right now. My challenge to you is this, Mr. Beast. Are you ready? Here it comes. Up close and personal. You are an amazing YouTuber. You have one of the most successful YouTube channels in the world. One of the biggest in the world. But my challenge to you is, I want to be the best, most honest, most live YouTube, in fact, slash that, TV show in the world. Let's be honest, everything's going online now. It's a TV show. We broadcast from our TV show. We go into 14 languages every day. And I don't have a team or a warehouse. It's just me on my own, working up to 12 hours a day, 10 hours a day live, 12 hours a day in the studio. And I invite you to comment to my video. I would love you to do it. It would make my day as I race you to become the best TV show in the world. Mr. Beast, love what you do, but I'm chasing you. Here I come. Can you hear me coming down the road? Here I come. I'm coming down the road. Anyway, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there you go. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it. USA, Michigan, don't say I didn't tell you, inbound, what did you not tell me? What did you not tell me? We got 3 minutes ago, I would guess Badger, California, Tesla is monopoly. Good morning, Martyn, Eduardo, thanks. Mike, good afternoon, we're coming up to 2 minutes for the bell. Mark? How is it popping? Congratulations, Tesla doing great. I have 17 shares, bought at 197. Poor Leah. Congratulations, Martyn and Leah. Happy anniversary to you both. Congratulations, Martyn and Leah. Happy anniversary. Ella Martyn, any news on Virgin Galactic first commercial flight? No, not yet. Zach, I'm so glad that you turned up today. I need to talk to you. When we get 10,000 subscribers, we're doing a fundraiser because all the money will go to you. However, I need you to make sure to do it now because we're on course for the end of the year. Do it now. It might take some time. Are you a registered charity? YouTube will only allow it for registered charity. Please make sure that you are a registered charity. Get that sorted. If you're not, I won't find you on the system. All right, I'm sure you are. I'm just checking. Your badge is not red. Your badge is gold. Your badge is gold. Zach, congratulations. You've been a member for 1 year now. Congratulations, Martyn and Leah. Good morning, Ed Nevius. Well, 1 minute to go. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Hilarious that you compare yourself to Mr. Beast. Ollie, I love this guy. Every day he comes in and he has a go at me. Yesterday he said nobody at Virgin Galactic know me. Yes, they do. I speak to them all the time. And he thinks it's hilarious that I compare myself to Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, years ago, said he wanted to be the biggest YouTuber in the world. And everybody, just like you, Ollie, laughed at him and said he's got no chance. And look what happened. Ollie, we are going to become the best YouTube channel in the world. And you can stick that in your pipe and smoke it. Why? Not because of me. Because I have the best, most engaged family online. My members join me live every day, up to 10 hours, up to 4 hours a day on average. They watch me. So how do we know? Because of the members, not me. In 3, 2, 1, the bell has gone. All right. Okay. There we go. And there you go. So I think it's funny when people say stuff like that to me. Funny how you compare yourself to Mr. Beast. Well, we'll see, won't we? Happy Christmas to you. Mr. Beast, remember, has a team, a big team. I'm on my own, and don't forget, I have my other channel. I'm the World Piano Man as voted by Elton John as well. So I'm also the World Piano Man. I'm a singer too. But it's not about me. It's about the family. Hey, Craig, good morning. Didn't you get the metric for the challenge? But didn't you get a metric for the challenge? I don't know what that means. I want my Martyn. I want my... I like that. Happy anniversary. Hi, Ed. Congrats. Every day. Only yesterday and today. Every day. Only yesterday and today. Ollie, what are you on about? Only yesterday and today. I've been live for 2 years, 10 hours a day, every day for 2 years. What are you on about? Every day, only yesterday and today. And again, nobody knows you at Virgin Galactic, believe me. Well, you're talking rubbish. You're not even a member of my channel. I speak to Virgin Galactic all the time. And how the heck can they not know who I am at Virgin Galactic when, first of all, I've worked for Sir Richard Branson. 2, I've got the Virgin Galactic song, which has been sent to the Branson family. 3, I rank higher than Virgin Galactic in the search term for Virgin Galactic and SPCE stock. And I speak to people every day. But according to you, no one knows who we are. Fair enough, Ollie. I'll answer all your questions. But if you get silly and rude, then we won't. All right, let's say there's an unusual high pre-market volume and no one's pre-moving. What could it mean on a stock? I'm not sure what your question means right now, Tia. I'll rephrase that. Let's go for our positions. The S&P is up. Breaking new highs again. The S&P is up 10.4. Virgin Galactic is up. Virgin Orbit, forget it. Rivian is moving up. Tesla is just trimming back a little bit. Okay, so the poll right now is running. Let's have a quick look. Yes and no. You're saying, yes, I should sell half my position of the S&P and go all in on Tesla. Buy another $7,000 worth of Tesla. Okay, let's end the poll right now. So 48 of you have voted. Thanks for that. Our friend from Taiwan this morning, welcome to you. We'd love you to become a member of our channel. I'm now going to speak to you in, I think, Chinese and invite you to become a member of our channel. So we have 19 countries. Let me do it right now. Okay. Welcome our friends and guests from Taiwan. Be the first person to join as a member from Taiwan, and forever the flag will fly for you. The link is in the chat.
欢迎我们来自台湾的朋友和客人成为第一个加入台湾会员的人，国旗将永远为你飘扬。链接在聊天中。
I love people like, do you know what inspires me? Do you know why we're going to be the best YouTube channel in the world? Because of people like this who try to bring me down. Because I love it. I love people try to bring me down because every day, what the comment I get more than anything else from people like Ollie is this: why do you like your own posts? Why do you like your own posts? And I love replying with the same comment every day. I love what I do and I enjoy what I do, so I do like all my posts. I'm sorry you don't like what you do, and there you go. People that are negative drive me to become stronger and stronger and stronger. And it's why I'll never give up. I'll never go anywhere. So there you go. And if you don't like it, and if I start to annoy you, Ollie, then just don't watch. Simple, really. Anyway, the S&P is going up. Look, oh my gosh. Okay, we've got another all-time high this morning. Let's have a look here. This is our all-time high, consistently up. No scalp trades yet. We are watching. We started researching at 3 a.m. for you. 3 a.m. And we haven't got one for you yet, all right? If we get one, we will share it with you. I might start making... In fact, we are already doing it now. We're starting to move to members only for these tips because people that don't enjoy the show, like Ollie coming on, we don't want to give him the tip of the day. We don't want to share that with everybody. We want to share it with the people that enjoy the show, right? So we're not going to be we're working on a system where you can all get information before I post it, and that is of course through Sensei Crypto. So you can all get that. Anyway, we want to help the people that want to be happy and positive. Okay. Good thing I went all in 100 in 100. Congratulations to you. S&P Tuzman. I don't know what that means. SP Tuzman. I don't know what that means. I'm sorry. I don't know what that word means. Keaton. Someone has translated to Chinese for me. Let me see what this is. This says Lou Kixin.
Lou Sixon.
I've no idea what that means.
刘慈欣
Is that his name? Is that his name? Oh, that's his name? No, it's not his name. I was looking at it thinking, no, it's not. I don't know. Give me one name with whom you have contact at Virgin Galactic, and then we'll see if that's true or not. Is that a good deal? Ollie, I am not wasting my time with you. If you don't believe me, if you don't think this channel is real, if you don't think we claim what we claim, don't watch. We don't care. We don't care. It's the most honest channel on YouTube. I get questioned all the time. But when people try to be unpleasant like you are and provoke, we haven't got time for it, mate. You've had more time already than I should have given you. But I'm not going to be challenged by you. We don't know who you are. You're not a member. You could be a 10-year-old kid living in your back bedroom. You could be some clown. We've got no idea who you are. You're not verified. I thought so. Ha ha. Yeah, okay, all right. All right. There you go. Thanks ever so much. Yeah. I'm not going to waste my time with you anymore. If you get abusive, I'll just block you. Tesla just dropping back. So it's pulling back like we thought it would. So I would like to buy some more. I can't stand you lying. Oh, okay. And there you go. Soon as you say anything like that, you're gone. There you go. I've got rid of him now. We're not having anybody coming on here spreading lies. Next, he will say, you don't know Elton John, even though there's videos and pictures. I know. Yeah. I haven't got time for people like that. The moment they come in, I just block them. Next, yes, at the end of the day, Ollie won't be the one making money because he thinks the channel... Exactly. At the end of the day, Ollie won't be the one making money because he thinks the channel is a scam. Yep, he's blocked now anyway. He can't even see the channel anyway. I've just blocked him. Simple gets list if you're not interested in... Yeah, simple. Get list. Get lost. Nice one, Bill. Ollie, go somewhere, man. No one needs your negativity. Yeah, goodbye. Everybody now has just blocked you. There you go. We ain't got time for that. Move on, folks. Here we go. So, right, we're up again now. And the S&P is up 0.23. Virgin Galactic is going down 0.36. Virgin Orbit up 9%. We're not bothered about that, though. Rivian up 3.38. I do want to take my profit out of Rivian. I'd rather own Tesla. I think it's really funny. I wish I hadn't blocked him now. I wish I hadn't blocked him because he can't see all your comments. Damn it. I should have let him stay there. It'd have been more fun, wouldn't it? You don't want to poke people, though. We're not here to do that. But it would be funny. Let's be honest. This is a real channel, right? I'm a human being, right? We all have things that are wrong about us, and it's wrong. It's wrong laughing at somebody, but I kind of want to laugh at him. Can I unblock him? Is it possible to unblock somebody? Just so you can't do that, can you? You can't unblock someone so you can laugh at them. I can't do that. I got to move on. That's not right, is it? Let's block him so we can laugh at him. No, that's not right. That can't be right. Anyway, Tesla is up. It had a little bit of a drop, but it's coming back up again. Is that the opportunity of the day? I don't know. Oh, my flipping gosh. I can't believe how much we're up now. Oh, man. This is getting pretty crazy. We're up now, 56,941. Rivian is a scam. Why is Rivian a scam? Why are people so negative today? It's all the non-members too, isn't it? It's always the same. It's always the same. People who are not members, people who sit in dark corners, say all sorts of stuff. I don't know what it's about. Why is Rivian a scam? I don't see why Rivian is a scam at all. There's nothing scammy about it. It loses money. Yes, it does. But it's not a scam, though. It's a legit company, and it's run by legit people. Next time, you should let us know him. Let us know him. I thought, yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. We should be, yeah, I'm going to do it. I should have timed him out, not blocked him. You're right. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Here we go. Right, so blocked users. I'm going to unblock him. You're right. Hidden users. I can't see. I can't see where I did it. I don't think I can. I don't think I can. I don't know where he's gone. I don't know. Maybe it refreshes every day. I don't know. I've never blocked and unblocked someone live on the show. I don't know. No, I don't know. Blocked words. Yeah, I've got loads of blocked words. Hidden users. Approved users. No. Don't know. Don't know. Doesn't matter. Who cares? Hey, Martin. Yeah. Next time you should know it. Know him. I thought, yeah, I know. Yeah, next time I will. Okay. There'll be a next time. Maybe you misunderstood something or you got triggered by something random. No, I didn't. Pablo, we knew what he was doing. Don't let negative people waste your time. Yeah, Joel, you're right. Let's move on. Okay. Let's look at the overall portfolio. Let's see what's going on now. Let me see what we can look at. Okay. Let's check the news. Have we got any news coming in from Virgin Galactic, Bloomberg? Have we got any news on Oh! 938. Okay, here we go. My gosh, these are quick. Scalp trade of the day. Here we go. Just coming in. Welcome to our channel. And we are S-I-E-N. Sinetra. Here we go. This is our scalp trade of the day. This is going to be soon members only. We'll work a way of doing that. We're already working on it now. S-I-E-N. C-N. Trade. Buy. Here we go, is our first one. We are in. This is our scalp trade of the day. And we've made our position. So if you've just tuned in this morning, welcome to this. These are very fast moving videos. This is our position. S-I-E-N, ordered, done. I have bought 35. I am in. There is my position. Okay, we're up. It's 72% up this morning. Welcome to CN, S-I-E-N. We're now going to go over now to our scalp trade of the day. Here it is. So it's S-I-E-N, and we're posting it now, and we'll put it up here at the top of the poll because we want you to vote on it. S-I-E-N. Here we go. This is our scalp trade of the day. And the question is, are you in? So are you in? And I'm going to give you the link now so you can vote on this poll. Are you in? Poor old Ollie's missing out on this one. Yes, no. Okay, are you in? Are you not? One day, remove poll, and tweet. Okay. Send now. So I'm going to give everybody this link. Let's go over to this one. Let's have a little look. And here's the poll. I want everyone to vote on this. Give me your thoughts on it, please. Give me your thoughts on this one. Copy link. Give everyone the thoughts right now. This is our scalp trade of the day. We've just bought in. There it is. This came from Sensei Crypto organization with Ed Nevius and Ali Tisro. There's more information how we do these trades on our services provided by Sensei Crypto. So if you want to know how that all works, you can. Now, I want you to go above my head, click above my head. There's a link above my head when this video comes out. This is made during a live show. And go and vote on this and leave me your thoughts. I will reply to everyone's comments, and I will hopefully that'll help you grow your account on Twitter. All right, there we go. That's the alert. Right now, we'll come back to the stock on the screen. It's dropping a little bit. Are you in? Are you out? Are you waiting for a pullback? Now, sometimes if our information changes, then I might jump back out again and take the loss. That sometimes happens, but overall now we are up on these, and we'll see what happens. Anyway, there it is. We'll be back for an update on SIEN later in the show. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. As we watch it, let's remove the alert now because we're already in or out. You've made your decisions. Okay, let's have a quick look. Let's read the comments. You are doing well this morning. Thank you so much indeed. Yes, the overall portfolio is up very, very nicely indeed. Yes, indeed. Shan LY, what do you think of the next CPI date on June 13th? Are you bullish or bearish? I am, at the moment, I am undecided. I will make my position over the weekend when I've had chance to reassess this week's information. But I think that we could be in for a pause, even though some are calling for another rate hike. I think we could be in for a pause after the job data. I think that's where it's going. I can't be sure, as neither can anybody else. But anyway, we'll see. The Millennium Agents, morning everyone. Hello guys, Darren P. Malk, hi, apologies for late for the party. Have I missed anything? Yes, you have missed loads. You missed an all-out war with a guy called Ollie, who was a bit of a clown. He comes on, tried to wind everybody up, and we got rid of him. We had Mark Corn celebrate. He's had people downloading his book, and he's ranked now on Amazon. He's thrilled to bits. The same guy that was having a go at me told me off about my Mr. Beast claims and stuff like that. It was just basically a negative waste of time. Yeah, a lot going on. We talked about Tesla. There was a big opening to the show this morning on Tesla. We talked all about that. So anyway, there we go. S&P, Virgin Orbit. Now, if you want to know, it's very, very important. If you want... Oh, hang on. This is much more important right now because this is imminent. We are giving away... in the closing bell today, $100. And we're giving away $150 to charity if you choose the charity option today in the show. And we've just given away some extra tickets. We're giving away, and you have to do it right now. Right now, okay? Is Sensei Crypto in the chat? Sensei Crypto messaged me and said... he's going to send out he's not in the chat. No. Okay. So basically what we're doing, we're giving you an extra 100 tickets for the competition tonight in the closing bell. To claim your 100 tickets, it is here. Enter the magic number found in the Crypto Sensei email. Now, some of you have said, I haven't got the email yet. It's coming out today. It's imminent. So you need to sign up before it comes out. Sensei is doing it right now, okay? And in the email will be a magic number, which you'll then put in here. You can't guess it. It could be a gazillion numbers. You've got no way of guessing it. So how you get the email from Sensei is click on here, and you will get this. It's a free sign up to his newsletter, completely free. Let's see, free. Everything's for free, okay? And then later on today, you'll get it. Now, it might go in your junk folder. Check your junk folder. Oh, he is here. I am here. You are here. Okay, Sensei, tell everybody. People are asking me. I have had 8 or 9 messages overnight, emails, texts, Discords, people saying I've not received the email from Sensei. So Sensei, you're live in the chat. Explain what's happening. I've had 8 or 9 messages this morning, last night, people saying, I've already done it. I've not received the email. And I've explained either it's in your junk folder or it's coming out today. Okay, Sensei himself will explain exactly when that's coming out. The closing bell is this afternoon, and when you get that magic number, you'll be able to come back here and fill it in. We're now at 12,159 tickets, 12,212. I can't find CN on eToro. I'm sorry about that. It's available on Robinhood, but I'm sorry that you can't find it. Let's go back to the poll and see how many people are in on this one yet. Yes, 2 people are in. This is the poll right now. Are you in on CN? Okay, are you in or are you out? Leave your comments as well. If you comment, I will reply back to you as well. All right, so there it is. There is the poll. If you've just, if you're watching me somewhere else, let me give you the link. Here it is on YouTube TV. Let me give it to everybody now over on Rumble as well. This is our tip this morning. Remember, this is very high risk. We're not financial advisors. We're just sharing with you what we are doing. And I'll give it to everybody on Facebook as well this morning, to you guys. Thanks for all the likes and all the love. Let me tap the like there, tap the like there. Okay, we've done that. Back to here. So, I'm waiting for Sensei to comment. Let me go into the breakfast bar this morning. And this is requested by you guys to always mention this. We had some fun in the breakfast bar this morning. Look at this. Cherry is having 2 boiled eggs, a glass of warm water. A glass of warm water? Cherry? Eggs and warm water? Oh my gosh, what sort of diet is that? I've never heard of that. Hey, it's a Dogecoin. What is it? It's a Dogecoin and 100% not silver. Eric B, let me show some love to your comment a minute. Go in the breakfast bar every morning and share with us a few pictures, what you're doing, preparing for the day. Good morning, Stephen Lewandowski. Let me give some love to Stephen as well. Brilliant. My dream coin is a 1964, what is it? $50 proof with accented hair. Oh, okay. Don't know what that is, but it sounds good, I think. Anyway, welcome all back to there. Cherry's all taken care of, so we've done all that. Yes, here it is. This is what you're waiting for. Yes, it will come out at the end of this show. If you sign up after, I can't guarantee that I will be able to send you the magic number, but I will try all the way up to the end of the giveaway. Okay, so it's coming out at the end of this show. So make sure that you've done it now. However, I can't guarantee it, but I will try to send it out until the giveaway is announced. So you've got the last few minutes to get it in. But he's not guaranteeing that. That might not be possible to do. So if you want to make sure that you've got the tickets, I've shared with you on the screen how to do it. Okay. Here is the $100 cash giveaway. All right. Or $150 to charity. The choice is yours. Okay. Let's, Tesla is holding up just off a little bit. Let me check my overall position. CN is coming up again. So we are looking for it to start moving and then we'll be out. I'm looking for a 10%, even though it can do 100%. These stocks can and more. But anyway, this is our position right now. This is the S&P. Virgin Galactic, come back up. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, CN, Tesla, Mullen, Lucid, Apple, Amazon. Fantastic. What is the minimum price that you see space? What is the minimum price that you see space going up to? What is the minimum price I see it going up to? The minimum price? What you mean on the flight? On when we get the Italian Air Force? What's the minimum price I see it going up to on the flights? Well, that's hard to say. I mean, bearing in mind they'll want to dilute if we hit 7. It depends when it comes. It depends if if it comes after the Fed pivot. If the Fed, they're not going to pivot. Let's be honest. If the Fed pivoted on the 14th next week, on Wednesday, and we're going to cover it live on our show, then who knows? My gosh. If the Fed stay where they are and pause, that's going to be a bull trigger. So I'm going to say 7. I'm going to say 7. I mean, what's the minimum you see it going up to? Yeah, I see 7. Any idea in when in June the flight will take place? David, no one knows. No one knows. There's been no information. I mean, I'm researching it all the time. I've got no information to share with you. I can't say. I don't know. I wish I could, but I can't make it up. I'd like to just announce it today. It's the 25th of June and it's guaranteed. That's what a pump and dump channel is. That's what Ollie would say we are. We just make up stories, but we're not doing that because we don't know. We have no idea. Anyway, CN. This was our scalp trade of the day. It's in my Roth IRA. Here it is. We're waiting for it to move. Cheers, David. You're very welcome. Let me just share on the screen. What country are you from, David? We've got members from 18 countries around the world. If you are not represented, become a member and fly your flag. Become a member, you get 20 times back what you put in. Access to Discord, 20-minute fundraisers. We do birthday celebrations for you, answer all your questions, make videos for you. I comment to all your posts on social media to help you drive your channel, put you on the homepage of my channel if you're trying to grow a channel. The list goes on and on and on. I want to be the best live streaming TV show in the world. That's my crazy, ridiculous plan and goal in life. That's what I'm trying to do. And we're on target to do it too. I challenged Mr. Beast this morning. Someone thought it was crazy, but I don't care. I'm challenging him anyway. Cheers, mate. You're very welcome. UK London. We've got a lot of Londoners. Love it. Oi, oi, Savaloy. We got quite a few here this morning from London. I'm from Cornwall, United Kingdom, even though my studio is here in Texas. Anyway, lovely to have you here. SESIEN was our scalp trade of the day. We're just holding it at the moment. Nothing happening at the moment. Okay, we've had no information whether we want to dump it and take a loss on it at the moment, but we are watching it closely. Space starting to creep up. Yes, it is. Let's go back to our overall position. Let's have a quick look where we are. The overall position is up. The S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is up. Let me refresh that. That should actually be a green chart. There we go. That happens sometimes. Virgin Orbit, Rivian is moving up today. Very nice. It's just trending on the back of Tesla. There's no reason why it should. SEN is just slightly down from where we bought it. This is where I decide if I want to go more in and lower my average. We've not had a sell signal. Obviously, the sell signal is my own. I will just sell it whenever I make some profit. I will set a stop trail loss, but I could buy some more, and that could be a new strategy I actually employ. I've watched it the last week. We've been doing this, and we get the announcement to buy in, and sometimes you can just get a little bit of a better deal. So if you have 200 If you have 200 to allocate to the scalp trade, put 100 in, and then if it drops 5-6%, you can, if it does, obviously after that, you're thinking about getting out. But if it does go down 5%, you can then put your other 100 in and lower your average. I'm going to start employing that from Monday. I think it's a good strategy. It's not gone low enough for me to put any more in yet. But if it goes to 5%, oh, it's starting to move. 293. This is it. 295. It's going. Is it moving? Is it starting to gain some momentum? Let's watch it. If it does, we'll bring the attention up again. See, I got 200 shares at 292. Very nice. It is moving. It is absolutely moving now. Here we go. Okie doke. Okay, here we go. This is CN. Trade. Sell. Limit order. Trading stop order. Continue. Percentage. 5%. Not there yet. Continue. Today. Number of shares. How many have I got? 35. 35. At 5%. Okay, here we go. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm setting up. This is my stop trail loss. Now, some of you want to ride these to 100%, and you can do that. Some of our stop trail losses do 100%, but I don't do that. I look for 5-10% every day and then buy something more secure and stable. Remember, I'm doing no research on this. We've got our team behind the scenes doing the research for me. It's the Sensei Crypto Organization with Ali Tisro and Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius starts at 3 a.m. Yes, you heard me right. 3 a.m. researching these for you. If you want the information before I post it and before I buy it, then you get that through Sensei Crypto. Sign up and you'll be part of all of that. They've got an app coming out soon. You'll be notified even earlier. Okay? Members, of course, always get the best deal with any of the paid plans on Sensei. So, okay, we are watching it right now. 303, 303. Okay. Get ready to rumble. Very exciting stuff. $301. It's exciting, isn't it? Let me make a slight adjustment to this one. How can I do that? I don't think I can. No, don't worry about it. 302. 303. I'm watching very closely. I can't set the stop loss yet. It's a 5% I'm putting on it. 306, 307, 3010. Here we go. Come on, come on. 2.5% to go and I'm in. 2% up. Come on. I just want to get that 5% and I'll set my 5%. Then I'm guaranteed to get my money back. That's all I care about. And then I can move on then. 3010. 3010. 310. I can't believe I just said 3010. Come on. Here we go. We've got 3% now. Everybody's on the edge of their seats right now watching it. Is it going to move? We just need 3. I want 315. And then we're golden. Come on. Let me go over to the Twitter poll. Who's in on it? We got 8 votes. Yes, 87% of you are in. Fantastic. So we're all in. We're all doing it. 3012. Here we go. We're up 4% now. Here we go. Got 1 more percent. 1 more percent and we can fly it. 4%, 4.5%. It's moving now. 1 more percent to go, and I'm going to put a 5% stop loss on it. Come on, come on, come on. There it is. Watching it closely. Come on. 76, 77, 78. 77%, 78%, 78. I'm looking at what the spread is. 77. I mean, I'm putting a 5% stop loss in there. I mean, I could go 10%. It's to keep me in the game longer. But as I said, I'm only trying to take 5% profits. That's all. Because to me, that's, 5% every single day, 5-10% every day. Because everybody else is going to be trying to get 100% out of it. And it could drop very quickly. So I'm very happy taking a 5% profit. 80. So where does it go from 80% up? We're at 4.5 now. So right now, I'm just about 79, 78. So there's a 2% swing. We're trying to measure the swings. Let's see how much we've got in it. 79. Come on, where's it going? Where are you going? $79. We're not quite there. I've got 1 more percent to go. Sold. Made a few dollars. Thanks, Ed. You're welcome. Dennis the Menace. How are you? I don't know what 30-0-10 means. I don't know what 30-0-10... I don't know what that means. 30-0-10. Ha ha. Very bloody funny. Okay. Come on. I need 2 more cents on it. 309. This is the poll we're running right now. Take part in it. I will reply. No one has left a comment. We're not going to give you this information anymore unless you comment. There's the Twitter poll. Comment. I want to reply to everyone's comments. We want to drive up the engagement on the channel so more people can see what we're doing. Comment to the poll. Here is the poll. What are you doing? Why are you not commenting? Come on, people. Get busy. Get busy. We're giving you information. We've had 8 votes, 4 retweets. That's great. I love you for that. But now you need to go and do the poll. Sorry, the comments. You can't just do a little bit. You got to go all in. All right. Okay. 310, 3%. We're not quite there. 3.5%. We're just teetering right now. We could just a little bit more. We just need to break the VWAP. It's just hovering around there. I was 0.5% away, and I was going to set a stop loss, which would guarantee I would get my money out if it drops. I just wanted to try to make 0.5% more, and then I'll be in the money no matter what happens. That's what I want to do. 301. It's just fallen back a bit now. Come on. Where are we going to go next? Let me just come back to the other stocks and we'll revisit this in a second. Just losing a bit of momentum right now. The overall portfolio is up. The S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is up. Virgin Orbit. Rivian is doing well. CN, we're right on the button. We just need 15 cents in it and we're good. If I'd set that now, I would have been out at this position. I would have already been out now. So I'd have got my money out. But I'm going to ride it a bit longer. Tesla, holding up. Mullen, waste of time. Lucid, rubbish. Apple, great. Amazon, great. McDonald's, great. Coca-Cola, we got the dividends I think on Monday. Got just last couple of days now before you can get the ex-dividend on that. Back to CN, SIEN. Let's read your comments on the screen. Sold. Crag made a few bucks. Nice one, mate. Good for you. Do you ever check fundamentals on those, or is it less important? That's a question to Ed Nevius. Yes, sometimes, Tio. Potential flight on Virgin Galactic on the 25th. Potential flight. You had any news, pal? No. There's no potential flight. That's just rumors. There's no evidence to suggest that is happening yet. That's just people picking out days out of the sky. It's scheduled to be the end of June, so people are going 25th of June. I've seen 25th, 26th, 30th. That is not coming from Virgin Galactic. I've got no information to say when the flight is going to happen yet. And when it does, somebody will tell me, and then I will share that information. So I haven't got any information to share with you. I wish I had, but I can't make it up. Here we go again. 304, 303. Watching very closely. Right now, we've got some comments. Everyone's behaving themselves now. Good. So let's have a little look. Yes, I'm in. Ah, Zach's in. Nice one, mate. Let me reply to you. Good luck, mate. I hope you do well. Don't forget, take the profit as soon as you can. Scalped it. Good stuff. Good luck. Good luck, mate. Good luck to you, Steve Martin. I'll reply to everyone's comments here. I'm in at 303. Very good. Good luck, mate. Okay, nice. I think I've replied to everybody. If I missed anybody, let me just check. Everyone's retweeted. Everyone's posting. That's good. Thank you for all the retweets, everybody. Thank you for all the likes and the comments and the shares and the follows. I think I've covered everybody. I don't want to miss anybody out. Back to the stock. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Brilliant. 11 votes now. Crag, there is a potential flight from 25th, but about 20% chance. Yeah, that's rubbish. That's rubbish. We don't want that. And Crag, send me the information about that and I'll make a video on it. Where is the information that says on the 25th it's a 20% chance? Send me the link for that. You're a verified user, so I can use it, and I would like to make a video on it and cover it. I haven't seen that information. Send that in to me. In and out for a quick 5% gain. Very nice. Agent Shu. I'm just waiting a little bit longer. And remember, warnings, this is not financial advice. Not at all. It's weak at the moment, starting to lose momentum. Oh, we're out of the money now. 301. Keeping an eye. 301. Psychologically, it's keeping above the 3. This is the link to the calendar making the rumours. Thank you. Callum Broadstock, you can't send a link. It won't show on the screen. In the chat, Callum, you're not a member of the channel. You can't share links on the screen. Nobody can other than moderators. People send it into Discord, and you can't do that because you're not a member. If you want to become a member and join our 18 countries around the world, fly your flag, then you need to become a member, and then you can share it via Discord. No, there's a 20% chance because could be the 26th, 27th, 8th of May, end of the day of the month. No, there's a 20% chance because it could be. All right, well, where do you see that information about those dates? I don't see that verified information anywhere other than just someone saying it on Reddit, and I don't want to use that sort of information. If you see any evidence of that, send that in to me, okay? Crag. Callum says he's got a link for it, but Callum can't send it in because Callum's not a member. I've given Callum the membership link, but let's see if he does it or not. I don't know. Anyway. Okay. We're not moving much at the minute. I'm not worried. I'm not concerned. You got to have a bit of patience sometimes. You'll give this like half an hour. If after half an hour I'm sitting at 1 or 2% up, I'll just take my 2% and I'll take it to the bank. I'm okay with that. Float 10.3 million and traded 21 million so far, says Ed Nevius. This is the data on the stock. Float 10.3 million and traded 21 million so far. I'm up 1%. I've made a buck of profit. Do it every day consistently. No worries. 306. If we start to move, I want to stop trail loss. I'd rather do that. But if we sit here for another 10, 15 minutes, then I'll probably just take 1 or 2% and be done with it. We'll keep our eye on it just for a few more moments. Let's check our other positions. We've got the S&P holding up. We've got S&P is up 10.76. This is phenomenal. Aren't I glad I didn't sell the S&P? Stephen Lewandowski has liked the stream on Facebook. Thank you very much indeed. Virgin Galactic just dropping back a little bit. Virgin Orbit going back down. Rivian going back down. Sienna just hovering around the 302. I'm up on it. I'd like to make something on it. Tesla going up again. Oh, Tesla now 250, 251. Unbelievable. $4,000 now I've got a Tesla. If I carry on like this, I'll own a car in Tesla. If I get to $25,000, I'll own a car. I'll actually have a car in the stock. I can go up to Elon Musk and go, can I swap my shares for a car? And he'll go, yeah, no worries. Look at Tesla now, moving again. Fantastic. CN 305. Market's turning bullish. Will push the stock up, no question. 172. Next 10 minutes are important. Yes, it's what I was saying. I'm just getting a feel for the overall market and the movement of the stock and the way it's trading and the speed of the movement. And I'm just thinking, right, I'm happy. Any profit is profit for me. I don't mind. $2 is $2. Do it consistently. Reinvest the profits. That's fine. Rather that than risk it and then lose 10%. Absolutely. It's not what you make, it's what you don't lose is important. Thank you, Zach, for liking the stream on Facebook. You are watching Ed Nevius's information coming up on the screen. This is our scalp trade of the morning. 5 retweets. You guys are the best. Really, you guys are the absolute best. 5 retweets now and 3 comments. Brilliant. Going to take a slightly different strategy now. Limit order. Doing a slight adjustment. I'm going to try this. Continue. Today. How many have I got? 35? Oh, no. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. You never guess what I've done again. Can anyone guess what I've done? I've done it again. I've done it again. Oh, yes, I've done it again. Unbelievable. I should have bought it in my brokerage. I bought it in my Roth, and I've got no day trades left. Damn it. So I am going to ride it until Monday. I'm going to ride it until Monday. There it is. I've said it. I've done it. I've made a clown of myself. I didn't check. I looked this morning and thought, yeah, you've still not got a day trade left. I will on Monday. I haven't now. So I am not selling it. I could turn off pattern day trading. It's not an issue. However, as I've explained before, I will lose uninvested cash earning, and I will lose stock lending, and I make money on those things, significant amount of money. So I'm not going to do it. I don't want to lose the perks and benefits that I get. So there it is. I didn't check. I should have done it in my other account. However, this is relatively safe. This is not an IPO that popped up and went down. So, you know, this could survive and come back another day. But yeah, I have just made a mistake. I've made a mistake. So I don't think for a minute that how much could I lose? How much could I actually lose? At 149, it's been doing 130s. I could lose $50, but I earn more than that in stock lending and uninvested cash perks and benefits. So, and that's if it goes all the way back down to its bottom again. So I'm going to stick with it. That's my mistake. The rest of you hopefully haven't made that mistake. But there you go. It's live TV, right? Wow, 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 wow. That sucks. Sorry, Martin. Yep. Wow, 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 wow. Great core on the bounce, Ed. Teach us, oh wise one. Well, if you want to learn, then there is only one way. There is only one way. And we're paying you $100 to learn how to do it. We're actually giving you $100 to learn how to do it. I got hit with day trading limit yesterday, so I can relate. Yeah. I'm not going to turn it. I'm not going to I can trade a million times. There's no limits to what I can trade. I've got 25 grand. I've got over the limit, but I don't want to. There's no sense for me to do that. If I was earning more every day scalp trading every single day, then fine. You know, don't have the uninvested cash, don't have the stock lending, fine. And maybe I will. Maybe if we start doing $500 or $1,000 in these scalp trades, which is the plan in a few months' time, potentially, not guaranteed. I'm just saying. Then maybe I'll turn it off, and I will do that. But anyway, now I'm stuck in the stock until Monday. Is it a company worth owning? Well, it's a very small cap. It's losing money, which is never good. No dividend. Let's have a little look. CN stock rockets to pace pre-market gain after FDA clearance of tissue expander. Okay, this has some fundamentals. This might pay out. This actually might pay out. And on Monday, I'm up 100%. This is relevant. So let's bring this into the position right now. Let's have a little look at this. This is a bit interesting. Shares. There you go. Shares of Sientra skyrocketed toward a 7-month high on heavy volume to pace all pre-market gainers Friday after the medical aesthetics company, after the US Food and Drug Administration granted clearance of its Allo X2 Pro tissue expander. Trading volume ballooned to 4.2 million shares compared with the full day average of about 900,000 shares. So this is fundamental news. However, buy the rumor, sell the news. We all know how that works. But this actually could play out and as a swing trade. And I mean, the other day I made money on my swing trade. So we could see how this could play out. Right now, I'm losing money, and there's the potential I could lose $50. But this is my own mistake. I just got your arm. Just chance your arm. If it goes up mine, they might not catch on. They might not catch on? What do you mean they might not catch on? Just chance your arm. They might not catch on. Well, the fact is when I try to sell it, a bloody great thing on the screen goes, pattern day trading. I think they're going to catch on. I think Robinhood know how it works. Think they'll catch on. Hang on. What's Martyn Lucas doing today? Oh, did we miss something? No. Of course they'll catch on, Crag. I use color paper clips because of a lot of accounts. 3 green, 3 green, 3 purple, 3 green, etc. They go into a cup. I like that. He's got his little cups. With his clips. I like it. I need some cups. I got one of these. You can all buy one in the chat, by the way. I like it. Anyway, I'm going to probably lose $50 before it goes up, but that's my mistake. Going to learn from that. That's unusual for me because I always learn on my first mistake. I've learned that's twice now. That's got me. Oh well. Oh well, says Fred. You'll learn this time, won't you? Well, do you know why I didn't learn it? Because last time I made the mistake, it didn't cost me. I still made money out of the last stock. So it didn't actually cost me. This one probably will. But we'll see. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But anyway, we shall see. Anyway, that's it for me right now. I've made a mistake and I've got to live with it. The overall portfolio, let's move on. Let's move on. Let me just realign my seat there a little bit. There we go. That's better. The S&P is still climbing. Virgin Galactic is still green, just trimming off a little bit. Rivian just pulling back. Sientra, I'm down 1.89. I could easily be down 50%. It's my mistake. Nobody else's. Tesla up 45%. Mullen trying to come up, but it's rubbish. Lucid. See? Lucid's got no strength at all. What you had here this morning is you had the Lucid fanboys going, oh, EVs are great. Let's buy into Lucid. It's the best car in the world. Well, what happened? Straight back down again. It's got no value to it. It loses money on every car. It's got no fundamental value. It's pointless. And it's going private. Everyone knows it. Apple, great. Amazon, great. McDonald's, great. Up 3.22. You can't pay too much for land. Simple as that. Coca-Cola, J&J, down 3.51. Still down on this one. I'm up now on my Roth. So if I wanted to, I could start to trim off, do that, but I'm not going to. Google, Microsoft. My AI, my C3 AI is still doing well, by the way. Next year, energy, Enphase energy, Bitcoin up 0.74. Tilray, oh God, down again. Waste of flipping time. Robinhood keeps going up. It's a 10x as far as I'm concerned. I'm up 9% on this one and 11.5% on my main account. Very nice indeed. Luna, LUNR is up. LUNR is up. Very nice indeed. Queen, I noticed that you have some scalp trades of your own in the morning. What I'd like you to do, I invite you to do, and I will reply to them all, is when I post my scalp trades, the Sensei Crypto Ed Nevia scalp trade of the day over here on Twitter, right? I would like you to reply with your scalp trade of the day suggestion so I can start to measure it. So if you would reply and if you would use the hashtag LUNR. So what I want you to do are two things. When you see one of our scalp trades, reply the Queen's, put like the Queen's scalp trade. Come up with a slogan that you use every day. Be consistent so people start recognizing it, okay? And have, the first thing you want to put is the dollar sign, which simulate is a stock. It gets searched as a stock. So do the dollar sign, LUNR, the ticker. Dollar, LUNR. Next line down, do hashtag LUNR. Very, very important. And then you can put the Queen's scalp of the day. Okay. Others have been trying to do this. Scammers trying to promote their little schemes, and I just delete them. But for you, I will promote it. So dollar sign, LUNR. Next line down, hashtag LUNR. The Queen's scalp of the day. And then that'll be in the thread. And all the members will comment to you. Why that's good is, one, I can measure the success of your scalps. Two, it'll help you grow on Twitter because everybody will see your threads in your comment thread in our post, which promotes our post. Thank you very much. But also promotes you because the members and so on will start to reply. Now, if I get other scammers come in and drop their scalp trades, I'll just delete them. But yours, I will allow it. All right? I will promote it. So I will reply to it, and I'm sure that other members will do the same thing. So it'd be a lot of fun. Everybody wins, promotes your own thing, and anyway, I'll leave that with you. Let's SNOA on watch. We are watching SNOA. This is not a buy yet. Whoever said Ocean Power was a good buy a while ago definitely got their fingers burnt. I never said it. Don't get me involved. Will XRP go public? Private equity shares of XRP on Linkto have gone from 3 billion market cap to 9 billion. Somebody knows something. Oh my gosh. Will XRP go public? I have no idea. The person to ask, of course, is Ali Tisro from Sensei Crypto, of course. It's the only person who could possibly answer that. Not for me. SNOA on watch. Martyn Lucas Investor, you have better sound than any other channel. Martyn Lucas Investor, you have better sound than any other channel on YouTube. Well, that's a nice comment, isn't it? You have better sound than any other channel on YouTube. Well, thank you ever so much. Where did that come from? That's a random channel. That's a random comment, but I'll take it. Yes, Ripple will go public when they win, not XRP. XRP is a crypto. Kane, I was. I don't know what I was means, but perhaps you want to rephrase what I was means. Anyway. Kane. Who was in that one? I think he's referring to whoever said Ocean Power's a good buy. Tony Betts, maybe that. You know what I mean, Ali? No, you've got to be clear. Don't come on here. Don't come on here, Silver Surfer, and go, you know what I mean. That's not good enough. Wasn't expecting Nvidia to rebound that fast. Anyway, we're coming up to the end of the show. The S&P is up today, 10.85. Very nice indeed. Virgin Galactic's going back up again. Virgin Orbit, we're just watching it to see what happens when it finally disappears off the system. For no other reason than education. Education. Oh my gosh, we've broken another new target. We have now gone through $57,000. All from 5,000. Yes, look at that. Brilliant. We are now up on the week, the month, the 3 month, the year to date, the 1 year, and the all. We're now up 692 in my Roth IRA. It is true, Martin. Sound is great. The music comes through amazing. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. It's that Neumann microphone. That's what it is. And my valve compressor. That's what it is. Look, down here. See that orange display down there? That is a valve amp. As we zoom in, look. Can you see there, look? There. See that orange thing there? As it gets closer and closer, that orange thing there is a valve amp. And that's when I'm singing, that's a Neumann microphone, what you get in Capitol Records, the one behind me. All right? It's what Frank Sinatra uses and all that lot. George Michael, he always used a Neumann. Everybody used a Neumann. Elton John uses a Neumann. Celine Dion. And it goes into that valve amp. That orange display down there. That's why the singing hopefully sounds good. Anyway, I haven't got the money to buy a Neumann up here yet. This is a Beta 58, which is a very good Shure microphone. Very good Shure microphone. It's just not a Neumann, and it's not through my valve amp yet. But when I make some more money, Neumann here, valve amp over there. Yeah, so I will sound as good live as we do when we're doing the singing. I just haven't made that sort of money yet. That's a $6,000 microphone, which is ridiculous for online streaming. But I don't care. This is the channel of ridiculous. Most YouTubers have a $100 microphone. I don't. $6,000 because I'm ridiculous. People go, you don't need that. It's compressed. It's going over YouTube. They're compressing it. You only need a $100 microphone. It's true. You don't need it. I don't care. What's the best microphone you can buy? Neumann. Then I want one of them then. That's just me. I'm ridiculous like that. Anyway, I am same volume level listening to another YouTuber. Only ML is clear. There you go. See? Queen, you never answered about my Twitter comment telling you how to promote your channel. Do you not want to do it? Did that sound rubbish to you? Anyway. Right. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's get out of here. I've got things I've got to do. So, we are now coming up to the last few moments of our competition. Our competition is $100 in cash and or or $150 in cash for your favorite charity. So I'm going to end it right now. Here is the giveaway. Ali has just told you. Excuse me. Got a bit of dust on the keyboard. Let me check my Twitter account. Okay. I did not see it. I was explaining it to you. I'll explain it again very quickly. What I said was, you do a lot of day trades. If you reply to my scalp trade of the day every day, this is my scalp trade of the day. When it comes out, you reply here. You do a reply. And you start off by putting the $ and then the ticker symbol. So if it's $TSLA, next line, hashtag TSLA, then put the Queen's scalp of the day and what you think about it. I think everybody else will comment and it'll be great for you. It'll also be great for me, engagement for Twitter, but it'll be great for you. And it's a great opportunity for you to do your scalp trade of the day. It will enable me to measure your success, and others will be watching you like Sensei and Ed, I'm sure. We're all the time looking to build our team, and we can measure your successes. Now, others will try to do the same thing. They'll come on in to my comments and try to promote their scalp trades. We don't want that. This is the Sensei organization with Ali and Ed. We're not having a bunch of, scammers coming in and doing it. I delete them. But I'm inviting you and you alone to do it, because you do it a lot. And I'm watching what you're doing and you're having some success. So I'm asking you to comment with the $ ticker, next line, hashtag ticker, and then call it Queen's Scalp of the Day. So people come to recognize it. We can monitor it. We can measure it. I'll reply to it. All the other members will reply to it. Okay, how about that? Did you get it this time? Did I just talk to myself? Have I wasted my time again? Or did you get it? Anyway, let me see if she replied to that one. Change of time. We'll send email near the start of the closing bell. Okay. Change of time. Here we go. This is the sort of thing. I've just got a comment which you can't see. I'm not going to share it, from Facebook. Someone is sending a link. Exactly what I just said. The moment I announced that about you could put your scalp trades in my Twitter, someone has tried doing it. It's come from Facebook. They're called Joy WU. Joy Woo has just tried to send a scam link. Ignore that. I'm not going to share it on the screen. So Sensei has just said, change of time. We'll send email near the start of the closing bell. We'll send email near the start of the closing bell. So I'm going to make it as clear as I can make it. We're giving away $100 in the show this afternoon, today, live on the show, or $150 to your charity. The choice is yours. Who you decide to... who decide? Is this you? Now then, who is this? Is this the Queen? Is this the Queen? I want to make sure who this is. Who is this? Because someone's trying to do scalp trades now. Someone's trying to do it. I knew this was going to happen. The moment I mentioned it, people would come in and try to take Queen's invitation. I wish Queen would respond to me. Please inbox me in the format. Ah, you are. Right. Queen, is this you? Who is this? SKHA 2303. I need to know who you are. Is that you? Is that you? I wouldn't have thought it was you, but anyway, someone's trying to do it here. So again, I don't want to be highlighting everybody's scalp trades in our information to protect my members, to protect our audience. I don't want to be... That wasn't me. Okay, it wasn't you. Okay. This is what I want you to do in the chat. So let's go test like that. There it is. You do the $ Tesla. Next line, you do hashtag TSLA. Say, for example. Next line, you go Queen's, I don't know. I'm just thinking of a tag for you. Queen's, trade of the day. Trade of the day. There you go. Queen trade of the day. Then put the comment and we'll measure it. All right. Queen of the day. Queen trade of the day. All right. That's it. So the $, which means a stock, the tag, and then that. And I will reply and we'll monitor what you do. I will reply to everybody else that comments, of course, but I won't highlight them the way I will with you. Make sense? I hope that does. All right. Okay, so here we go. Let me go. Nothing from Bloomberg. No, nothing there. Right, here we go. We're going to end the show right now. Here's the cash giveaway. Have you all signed up for Ali's newsletter? It goes out on the closing. It goes out when? When did he say it goes out? You've got until then. Just so we make sure everyone has received the... Hang on. Just so we make sure everyone has received the email live. Okay, we'll send the email near the start of the closing bell. Okay, I've got you. Now I understand. No, I didn't get an email. No, it hasn't gone out yet. That's it. That's it. Correct. Correct. Correct, Queen. Yes, Queen. That's good. Start with that. Next line, do that. That's right. That's right. Exactly that. Exactly that. Exactly that. Do that as a reply to the thread of my scalp of the day. All the members will find it, recognize it, and do it, and we'll all take part. And Sensei and Ed will keep an eagle eye on it, and we'll measure your success and see how successful you are at doing that. And you never know. This is nothing to do with me, but you never know. Sensei or Ali or Ed might bring you into the team. That's nothing to do with me. I'm just saying, we're always looking to expand our teams. That's nothing to do with me. I have no say over that. I'm just saying, do that and you never know what's going to happen, right? You never know. Okay, brilliant. Okay. So, scroll down here and you'll see the 100 tickets. Now, how many people are watching before I waste my time? Yeah, there's 60 people. Bloody hell. All right, there's 60 watching, so I'm going to tell you now. This. We're giving away the $100 this afternoon on the show, or $150. I want to give everyone the chance of winning. If you try and scam it or cheat, it's great for me because you still engage with me. It doesn't bother me, but you waste your time, you waste your resources, and you've got no chance whatsoever about being successful. If you decide that you want to leave a precise comment on a video and you just leave the comment, when it analyzes the ticket entries just before we draw the winner, the AI looks at it, and if the person hasn't watched the video, hasn't liked the video, like it says in the information, in the instructions, that ticket will be invalidated. So you'll lose that ticket. So don't bother. If you try to, I don't know. But that's mainly it. If you try to watch a video, leave a comment and not watch it, it doesn't count. But if you want the 100 tickets from Sensei, this email will come out just after we open the bell this afternoon. So you need to sign up now to get it. And I will tell you, it will go into your junk folder. Not because it's junk, because it's a newsletter. So we'll remind you of that in the show. But I want everyone who's real and decent and really wants to win a chance to win. And most people, and it is, most people that are trying to, cheat, they're wasting their time. It's always good for me. I don't care. It's always good for me. But rubbish for you. There's no point. All right. Anyway. Hey, I got some stars on Facebook. That's 99 cents, by the way. Thank you, Paul Holt. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. How cool is that? Nice one, mate. Yesterday seems like yesterday. 8 months, says Ed Nevius. Been a member now for 8 months. Absolutely brilliant. Right, so we're done. Okay, we've got special videos coming out today for Virgin Galactic. If I, hang on, did I get that information from Crag? Virgin Galactic information. Crag, where did you post it? Links for YouTube. Good man. Keaton S has done it. Virgin Orbit, yeah, that's today. Keaton S, thank you for that.
Ed Nevius has become a member.
Yay!
Seems like yesterday, lol, get M.
Yes, I love it. He's not a new member, it's just a celebration. Crag, where did you put the link? Crag, where did you said you sent me in a link for... Oh, no, you said you couldn't find it, couldn't you? Yeah, you couldn't find... Yeah, that's right. Someone came in who was going to send a link. They never did. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. One of those people again. All right, I haven't got anything from Virgin Galactic then. I didn't think I did. Okay, never mind. Okay. If I get the information, I'll share it. If I don't, I can't. All right? I don't see any information. So, there you go. Virgin Galactic going back down. Virgin Orbit, Rivian. I'm not selling my position. CN, I'm holding till Monday. More for me. That was my mistake. Tesla just trimming off a bit. No surprise there. Mullen going back down. Lucid just collapsing. It's not worth anything. Sam Connery, thank you for liking the stream. Kezia, happy Friday over there on Facebook. That's Kezia as well. That's Queen of Celebrating. Thank you ever so much indeed. Okay, you got all the rules. You know what you're doing now, right? Hi, Mike. I love it. Look at all the comments coming in on Facebook. I love it. Amazon. McDonald's. Can't pay too much for land. How many times have I said it? Right. Coca-Cola. Ex-dividend date. Is it Monday? I think it is. Coke. On my main account, I'm up 1%. On my Roth IRA, I'm up 0.5%. That's good. Plus the dividends coming. Oh, yes, yes, yes. J&J. Oh, I'm up on my Roth. I'm still down 3. That's getting really close now after turning profits all the way across the board. Right. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. I want to thank everybody for joining me on Facebook today. Sorry. Yes, Facebook. I'll say that. Thanks to everyone who joined me on TikTok this afternoon, this morning, wherever you are around the world. We are really excited to say we now have 18 countries represented, and we're going after Mr. Beast. I've got a video coming out this afternoon challenging Mr. Beast. Look out for that this afternoon. It's going to be a viral video. How do I know? Because the last Mr. Beast video was, so this one will. It doubled and doubled and doubled and doubled and doubled for 4 hours in a row, then it stopped. So I had a viral video for 4 hours, and then it stopped. Mr. Beast has a viral video for like forever. I had a 4-hour video. I had 4 hours of viral action. A viral video is when it just keeps doubling every hour. That's a viral video, okay? And then it goes off the charts. Anyway, let's do... Did everybody make some money on CN? Hasn't made it. It's up 71%. Malk, thank you for liking the video, mate. Appreciate it. Really do appreciate it. Right. What was I going to do? Yes. Just before I end the show, I just want to ask if everyone could just smash the like button on YouTube. We got 57 watching right now, and there's just 47 of you smash the like button. It really, really helps if you wouldn't mind. Look, see, there are 57 of you watching and 47. Now then, I've got a bit of a surprise. Mike, are you here, Mike? I've got a surprise for everybody. Not only are we giving away money today, I've got a big surprise. Is Mike here? I can't announce it until Mike's here. Are you here? Is Eric here? Can't announce it until Eric's here. Because these are the people that work the hardest. Eric, are you here? Right? Sorry about I've spelt here with 2 R's. I apologize for that. Right. You ready? I'm not going to announce it until they say they're here because it's big news. All right? Are they here yet? Come on, don't leave me hanging. Bloody hell. Eric, I am here. Mike. Oh, no, Mike said he had to go, didn't he? Mike said he had to go. Mike said he had to go. Okay. Well, he is the winner of the best, so I ain't going to announce it. But I will tell you that after the giveaway tonight, there will be a live concert after the giveaway. Drinking, getting stupid, getting drunk, laughing about, larking about. And I'm not going to tell you why, because I don't want to tell anybody until I've told Mike. But you all know why. So you all know why, but I ain't saying it. I've not said it. I can wait for Mike. Yeah. I'm not going to say it, but there will be an after-hour concert tonight. But I'm not going to say why, even though you all know why, because I said yesterday, but I can't say why. I am here. Here he is. He is here. Mike. Thank God for that. It was getting really hard to announce the after show party without actually saying why. Even though everybody could work it out, I couldn't say why. For a year. No, since December. Since December, I have had Eric, Mike, Stephen Lewandowski, and others, but these 3 have been doing it the most. I gotta say, Mike, Eric, Stephen Lewandowski have been doing it more than anyone else. I think all my members have had a little go. They've done well, but I have to say, these 3 have done it like Mike and Eric all the time. Stephen Lewandowski was doing it all the time until he buggered off on holiday, and then, he did it a bit, but he was on the beach in Hawaii, so you know what I'm saying? Stephen Lewandowski. Anyway, Queen was doing it, but Eric and Mike were just doing it all the time. Stephen was until he went on holiday, and then he sort of did it every now and again. He's thinking, bloody hell, mate, I was on holiday. I did it every day until then, and I did it when I got back. Oh, bloody hell. Anyway, lo and behold, we have to get to 4,000 watch hours in 365 days. That's it. So, exactly on the button this morning, I wake up to find out, thank God for this, we are now on 4,000 watch hours. Yay! Right. So what does that mean? Look, this is the last year. Nothing going on. Then I announced, hey guys, I need some help. You all got on it. And then you all got tired. And then I said, come on guys, we got to get it going again. And then we started going like crazy. And then we had, this was here when we had, I think it was the Virgin Galactic party. After we had 18,000 people watch us live. And then we had a lot of people jump in. So we popped up again. And then Stephen Lewandowski went on holiday. And then, all right. And then Mike and Eric got on it. And then this is when Stephen Lewandowski got back from his holiday a few days ago. And it started going up again. So there you go. We've done it. 4,000 watch hours. So in tonight's show, after the cash giveaway, we are going to have a party. All right, we're going to drink beer and we're going to lark about. All right, there you go. Thank you very much, everybody, sincerely, because as much as I love this, and I do, my music is my passion. I mean, really, I'm the world piano man. I can't just throw that away to buy Tesla shares. You know what I'm saying? And it died. It literally collapsed. It's still very weak. It's only just on 4,000 watch hours, but hopefully everybody will join me tonight. and it'll do well. Anyway, that's it. We're done. We're out of here. I'm going to end the stream, and let's roll the credits. Now, don't forget, at the end of remember, right at the end of the show, you've all got to add the last line of the catchphrase. Okay? Very, very important. You're starting to get the hang of this now, but you're still a little bit, a bit rubbish. You're not bad, but you need to get on it. You ready? So let's roll the credits. Roll the credits. Don't forget to be up to date with the show. Running 2 devices 24/7. He's going, I'm running 2 devices 24/7. Why do I not get a special treatment? Ed Nevius, don't jump the gun. Don't jump the gun, Ed Nevius. We haven't got there yet. Flipping heck. Stars of the show. Stars of the show. Members, Cherry, Ed Nevius. No super chats, no crypto tips, but don't worry about it. I just do this show for free. Don't worry about it. Anyway, that's it. I'll be back this afternoon for the closing bell. It's your last chance now to go and get $100 in cash or $150 for your charity. Go and sign up for those last 100 tickets. If you don't, it'll be too late. Once the newsletter goes out, you will miss it. And that'll be it. And I'll go, well, I tried to help you. If you didn't do it, it's your own bloody fault. All right? Okay. We're done. Are you ready? Virgin Galactic, everyone's getting fearful again. Oh, I'm selling out again. I'm going to give up again. I'm getting out of here. Right. So, here we go. I'll see you back this afternoon, as always. So take care of your money. Take care of your crypto. Take care of yourselves. We got to get better than this. And each other. All right, there we go, Ed Nevius. There we go. There you go. I knew it. I knew you wouldn't let me down in the end. I knew in the end you'd finally get the swing of it. It took a while, but we got there in the end. Take care of yourselves and each other. Have a great afternoon. Can't wait to see you. Look out for the Mr. Beast video. It's going to go viral. Count my words. Bye-bye for now.